Hello friends, can you see all these masks? They can be made in minutes. Let us see how. Come on. While making the mask, the waste cloth is left to be thrown. But no, we are not going to throw this. We are going to make something beautiful out of it. So watch this video till the end to know what is it that we are going to make using this waste cloth. Okay, let us begin making a mask. First we'll make a cutout like this. We'll make a cutout using this file. You can use any cardboard paper to make a cutout. This cutout makes it easier to make too many masks, more than 2 or 10, any number of masks you can make easily using this cutout. Okay, so let us take the measurement. On this file I have measured this length as 11 and a half. After marking 11 and a half over here, we draw a line measuring 13 centimeters. Again 11 and a half. Okay, so I write here this measurement, this length is 11 and a half. Now take exactly half the measurement of 13, which is 6 and a half, and mark this point at 6.5. From here, measure, draw a straight line and mark at 2.5 centimeter. Here is the mark. Mark 2.5 from here, and join this. Now let us give it a shape. A semicircular kind of a shape from one end to the other end. Below, coming to this point, the midpoint, total 6 centimeters we have to measure. 3 towards the left, 3 centimeters mark a point to the left and 3 centimeters to the right. So this measures 3 centimeters, this measures 3 centimeters. Now join the lines. That's it. Our cutout is ready. As you can see, our cutout is ready. This is how it looks like. Okay, now keep the cloth ready. Always keep the right side of the cloth inside and the wrong side outside when you are going to cut the mask. Now you can cut it either this way, keep it like this, or like this, anyhow. Now if I have to save the cloth, since there is a shape given over here to the cloth, I can use it over here. I can keep it like this and cut it. Okay. Before cutting, let me give it an outline. Now I have used for the inside of the mask, instead of using the same cloth, I have used a thin lining, since it is summer season and we need a mask which is breathable. I have taken the tailor's chalk to mark the outline and then I'll cut it. Now the cloth is ready to stitch. First, this part of the cloth has to be stitched. Once they are stitched, let us open it like this and hold together. The wrong side outside and the right side inside. Now we will be stitching this part. Both the parts, let us the sides. We have finished the stitching part. Let us open the inner side. Both the ends are open. We have to keep both the ends open. One of the ends, let us open. Insert your finger and open it like this, and in the center give a shape, proper shape, like this. Now this is a medium sized mask. You can make a bigger size mask, or if you have to make it for a child, you can make it smaller than this. Mask, we use 2 pieces of elastic, which is around 16 centimeter in size, and this part of the mask has to be folded, and the elastic has to be inserted. A small part of the elastic has to be inserted over here, and again this part has to be stitched in the end, again inserting the elastic over here to seal it. So you can see our mask is ready to wear. On both the sides, black side, blue and black, both the sides. So it's a two-way mask. Can you see this cushion? Do you know how I have made this? What have I stuffed inside? No, it's not cotton. I have used all the cuttings of the mask that I have made, pieces of mask, the leftovers which were waste. I have used the waste and tucked it inside. So the waste of this also can be added inside this cushion. A beautiful cushion can be made like this. So, zero waste, environment friendly mask. To make this pillow, I'll be uploading another way.